Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox error, memory dump captured. The memory dump was captured to your clipboard. Please share it on our support site, roblox.com/support. You can also find the dump data at this particular directory path. So if you're getting this memory dump captured error in Roblox, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix, here follow the steps. First of all, uninstall Roblox. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on apps. Then click on installed apps. And then here search for Roblox. And then click on this three dot and then click on uninstall. Also uninstall Roblox player. So click on this three dot and then click on uninstall. Also uninstall all the Roblox. So click on three dot and click on uninstall. So whatever the result over here comes related to Roblox, you have to uninstall all. And after uninstalling the Roblox, you have to delete the temp files. So press Windows plus R to open run box. And in the run box type %temp% and then click OK. Now select all the folders and files in the temp folder. So press Ctrl plus A to select all and then click on delete to delete all. Do this for all current items and escape it. And once all the files and folders has been deleted in temp files, then turn off memory integrity. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on privacy and security. Then click on Windows security. Then click on device security. Then click on core isolation details. And then turn off the memory integrity. Just turn it off. Click yes to allow. Now please take a note. Memory integrity prevents attack from inserting malicious code into high security process. So later we will turn it on, but currently you have to turn it off. And then just restart your PC. And then you can reinstall Roblox from Microsoft Store or Roblox official website. So open Microsoft Store. And here search for Roblox. Click on Roblox Windows. And you will see this get option. Click on the get option and install the Roblox. Or you can also download the Roblox from the Roblox official website. And after downloading Roblox app, just install it. And then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox game and check if your problem is solved or not. This will fix the issue. And once your problem is fixed, then you can go ahead and turn on memory integrity. Now, if still your problem is not solved, then fix 2 is to turn off antivirus software. So if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Comodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, etc., then simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Now fix 3 is to update your graphic card driver. If still your problem is not solved, then update your graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, so in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open it. Go to driver section and then click on this check for updates option. And if there are any updates available, then you can download and install it. So here you can say update available. Click on this download button and then install it. And after updating the drivers, then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you have AMD graphic card driver, then you can go to the AMD website, search for your graphic card driver version and then reinstall it or update it. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then you can go to the Intel website and update your graphic card driver. So after updating the graphic card driver, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Roblox, the memory dump was captured to your clipboard error. So that's all for this video.